71. Which pair of solution can form an acidic buffer? Student, a mixture of a weak acid and its salt with a strong base forms an acidic buffer. So in option number 1, there is a weak acid and its salt with a strong base. That means option number 1 represents an acidic buffer. So the correct answer is option number 1. Moving to next question, which is 72. The salt which undergoes cationic hydrolysis is. Students, a salt of a strong acid and a weak base undergo cationic hydrolysis. So here we are given in option number 2, we are given with a salt of a strong acid and a weak base. So this will undergo cationic hydrolysis. That means the correct answer is option number 2. Moving to next question, which is question number 73. Let's read it. The pH of an aqueous solution of 1.5 molar of ammonium acetate is. We are given with a pK of acetic acid and pKb of ammonium hydroxide. Both equals to 4.74 at 25 degrees Celsius. Now student, here we know the formula to calculate pH of a salt of a weak acid and weak base, which is equals to 7 plus half pKa minus pKb, which is equals to 7 plus 1 upon 2, 4.74 minus 4.74, which is equals to 7. That means the correct answer is option number 1. Moving to next question, which is question number 74. Let's read it. The conjugate acid and conjugate base of HCO3 minus respectively are. Student, here HCO3 minus when gains 1 H plus. So it will behave as Bronsted base and the compounds are formed as H2CO3, which is conjugate acid. Now when 1 H ion is removed from HCO3 minus, so it will behaving as Bronsted acid and the ions are formed as CO3 2 minus, and this is called as conjugate base. That means conjugate acid is H2CO3 and conjugate base is CO3 2 minus. So the correct answer is represented in option number 1. Moving to next, which is question number 75. Let's read it. Which of the following compound behave as a Lewis acid? Students, Lewis acids have the ability to accept a pair of electron. So here aluminium chloride accepts a pair of electron because this is electron deficient in nature. That means the correct answer is option number 1. Moving to next.